So in this seminar, your task is to construct a metrics system and populate it with some metrics and instructions. So you need to first identify a business. Is the business you're considering a product or service-based business? Then, what would you measure? Consider the customer interaction. Why are you measuring that? How would you measure it? What are the metrics? And what would you do to collect the data? Where would you collect the data? Think about the value stream and where in that you'll collect. When would you collect the data? Then, what would your data tell you about the company? I'm really looking for detail about what exactly you're going to measure and what you think that's going to tell you about the company you're considering.